Hi children, now let's continue with one more example. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Now by the rule of transposing, this 4 should transfer to right hand side. So how will it transfer? This plus 4 becomes minus 4 here. This 4 is whatever is there in the right hand side. Okay, this 4 has changed to minus 4 here on the right hand side. Okay children, it's not a magic. This is based on the logic that I showed you using the physical balance in previous video. Okay, just by noticing that concept behind it, we came to a conclusion of this transposing rule. Okay, so what is 4 minus 4? 0. Okay, now let's check whether y is equal to 0 is the solution of this equation. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Just by looking at it, you will just say, ma'am, LHS is y plus 4. In the place of 5, if I place 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. We get RHS. So it's a solution. Okay, now let's have a look over the next example. 8y is equal to 36. Here what operation is there between 8 and y? It is multiplication. When it get transferred to the next right hand side, how will it be? It comes to the division. So 36 by 8. Now I have to cancel this in 2 table or 4 table. I prefer 4 table. 2 4s are 8, 9 4s are 36. What is my solution? Y is equal to 9 by 2. Let us check whether it is right. So what is LHS here? 8y. 8 into the value of y, just now I found it to be 9 by 2. Always it's a good practice to cancel the possible factors and then multiply. Here 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36. Is it clear, my dear children? And this 36 is equal to RHS. So it is a solution. Now let's look at one more example. 20t is equal to minus 10. Again, here we have multiplication operation. So when it comes to this side, it comes to division. So what it is? T is equal to minus 10 by 20. So if I cancel, what will I get? Minus 1 by 2. Just cancel. You will get 1 10 is 10. 2 10s are 20. Don't just write 1 by 2. You will be wrong. Sign is very important. It is minus 1 by 2. Now let's check whether our answer is right or wrong. 20 into minus 1 by 2. So if I cancel, I get 1 2 is 2. 10 2s are 20. So 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. And it is equal to RHS. Hence I can conclude t is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the solution. Is it clear, my dear children? Shall we move to next example? Nothing to worry about all these very big complicated things, and it is not complicated. It's very simple. If it is in plus, it transfers as minus to the right hand side. If it is minus in left hand side, it transfers to plus in the right hand side. Okay, these two are like co-brothers, twins. Similarly, multiplication, it comes to division. If it is in division, it will come to multiplication. Let us have a look over division now, how it comes. Here I have z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here along with this z, I have a number and it is in division. So when it comes to RHS, how will it be? It will be in multiplication. See here, when 3 comes to this side, it comes in multiplication. Okay, now again the denominator is 1. I cannot cancel anyway. Okay, so I get z is equal to 15 by 4. Now how to check this? We have LHS to be z by 3. In the place of 15, I have to place 15 by 4. Now again divided by 3. We are not used to have division and a division again. So I will place the division symbol here and write 3. Will you all agree that z by 3, I have written it this way. Z, I have written 15 by 3. And this division symbol I have written in the usual division symbol by 3. And we know how to divide fraction and a whole number. What will happen? We will have 15 by 4. What will happen to this division symbol? Very good. It will change to multiplication. What will happen to this 3 by 1? It will come as change it to 1 by 3. It is the reciprocal of 3 by 1. So if I cancel 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. So what do I get? I get 5 by 4. Isn't it RHS now? Yes, I do get the RHS. So Z is equal to 15 by 4 is the solution for this equation. Is it clear? It's a very good practice to always check whether it is a solution or not. Make a habit of it. Even in your classwork note, you should have both the solution part as well as the checking part. It is compulsory till you get trained to all these transposings. Okay. Now let us have a look at one more example. Here, see here, along with this letter, how many operations are there? Here multiplication, here addition. I have 2 operations now. Are you able to identify the higher order of difficulty now we are having in the screen? Yes, we do have 2 operations here. How to solve this equation? We are going to use the rule of transposing. There is no change in it. How to transfer it? One by one I have to do. Okay. So, in the first step, which number shall we transfer? Everyone will say, ma'am, 5 is in the first. So, let us transfer first. Is it possible? No, children. First, we have to do with the terms, that is with addition and subtraction operation. Then we have to go for multiplication and division. It is little bit like a reverse order of BODMAS. Always we used to do division and multiplication first. But while transferring, it comes in the reverse order. We first transfer plus 7 to RHS. Okay. So what is step 1? I have to transfer this plus 7 to this side. So how will it be? Minus 7. So 5m I have to write as it is. Okay, don't change it. This plus 7 has changed its position from left hand side to right hand side as minus 7. Okay, so what do I have? 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Different sign, subtract and give the bigger number sign. Now you are familiar now. Now it's very simple now. Only one operation and it is a multiplication. So how will it get transposed? It comes to the denominator, division. When it is in multiplication, it comes to division. It comes as a divisor. Okay, so 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So what will be my answer? M is equal to 2. Now how to check? In previous video, we learned how to check whether it is a solution or not. The same way, I have to check. What is LHS? I have 5m plus 7. So what is the value of m? I have 2 here. So 5 into 2. It is multiplication between 5 and m. So I will write 5 into 2 plus 7. Now which operation should I do? Addition or multiplication? Now I have to go for multiplication. This is BODMAS rule. Okay. 10 plus 7. What do I get? 17. Isn't that it in right hand side? Yes, it is in right hand side. So I can conclude m is equal to 2 is the solution. So what can I conclude from this problem is, as many operation is there in that left hand side of that equation, that many steps you will get it. Okay, here I had plus and multiplication. So I had 2 steps to do. 2 sums together I am performing. Can I have an equation where we will go in for 3 steps, 4 steps and 5 steps? Yes, we do have. We will do it in later sessions. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay, now let's have a look over one more problem. Okay. Here I have minus 2 cube minus 6. Again, you may think, ma'am, this is minus 2. It is in subtraction. Shall I transfer it as plus 2 here? These are all the common errors you people used to do. It's not like that, my dear children. Here it is an integer. Minus 2 is an integer having a relationship with q with an operation multiplication. Together you should look at it as. This negative sign doesn't mean the operation on it. It just represents the symbol for that number. You should know to identify the symbol for that number and the operation that is being performed. Okay. Now what is the step 1? I have to transfer this minus 6 first. When it gets transferred, it comes as plus 6. See that here I have not changed the sign. Minus 2 is as it is, minus 2q. 0 plus 6. Is it clear, my dear children? If I add 0 and 6, I get 6. In the next step, I have to transfer this minus 2 together. Not only 2. Minus 2 is one full integer. It's a whole integer. Okay, don't split this minus sign from 2. It indicates the negativity of that numerical value 2. So, it is in multiplication. Here it comes to division. Now you know how to write this fraction. It is not meaningful if I have negative sign in the denominator. So, this negative sign is considered in the numerator. So, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. What is the value of q? Q is equal to minus 3. Now, I should check whether it is a solution or not. Here, what is the LHS I have? I have minus 2q minus 6. Minus 2 as it is into what is the value of q? Minus 3 minus 6. What is minus 2 into minus 3? See here, don't do this first. This is also common error you people all do. Okay. So, first multiplication. So, minus 6. Sorry, we have minus 3 now. Minus into minus, we have plus 6. Minus into minus, we will get plus 6. And again, minus 6. So, plus 6 minus 6, what is the answer? 0. I get RHS value. So, q is equal to minus 3 is the solution of this given equation. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. Now, let's see what should we do today to practice. In exercise 4.2, practice almost all the problems. There are so many subdivisions there, and I will not restrict you to stop with 1 or 2 problems or 4 subdivisions. It's good to practice all the problems in your book. 1, 2, 3 and 4th questions alone. No need to go for the other higher order. In next video, I will teach you little bit of higher order equations. Okay, children? Now, take down all the problems. Nearly 7 problems are there in this video slides. Take down those things alone in your classwork note. And the remaining, you have to practice it in rough note. Okay, children? Now, take care. And this is end of this video session. Take care. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy. Okay, children? Take care. Thank you.